Hello and welcome to Introduction in Chess. Chess is a battle of wits. Unlike many other indoor games, there is no place for chance or luck in this game. Chess is a game for two players. One uses chessmen of light color, which those of the other are usually black. The board is a square divided into 64 smaller alternative white and black squares. Notation. In this system, the vertical rows of square called file are lettered from the left to right A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. The horizontal rows of squares are called ranks and are numbered from 1 to 8. Each square has its own letter and number. So here the example square name in the picture. At the start of the game, each side has a king, a queen, two rooks, two bishops, two knights, eight pawns. The pieces and pawns as a whole
The
are
queen
called
and
material.
rooks are major
When the game
pieces.
starts,
The
the
bishop
two
and
sides
knights
have
are
material
minor
equality.
pieces. The chessmen are designated by the following contractions: king K, queen Q, rook R, bishop B, knight N. Initial position: white occupies the first and second ranks, black the seventh and eighth. The board should be placed in such a way that there is a white corner square on each player's right hand side, h1 for white and a8 for black. In the initial position, the white queen is on a white square d1 and a black queen on a black square d8. The left half board from A to D is called queen side, and the right half from E to H the king side. The four midboard square D4, D5, E4, E5 are called the center. Moves. Any shift of a pieces or pawns on the board is called a move. The players take turns in making move, with white always starting the game. A player cannot move a piece or pawn to a square occupied by one of his own pieces or pawns. The knight is the only piece that can leap over a square occupied by another pieces or pawn. The rook can move any number of squares along a file or rank. In diagram, a white's rook can move to any square on the D file or on the fourth rank, that is to any one of 14 squares. The bishop can move any number of squares along a diagonal. In diagram, a white bishop on d4 can move to any square along the a1 to h8 and g1 to a7 diagonals. Example, a total of 13 squares. Looking at the initial position, we see that each player has one bishop that can move only on the white squares and one that moves only on the black squares. The queen can move any number of squares along a file, rank or diagonal as indicated on diagram. The queen thus combines the merits of the rook and bishop and besides can move along both the white and black diagonal. The diagram shows standing on d4 in the center of the board. The knight moves in a very distinctive way from e5, a black square. White's knight can move to any of the 8 white squares marked by dots. The knight moves from the square on which it stands over a neighboring squares on the file or rank onto a square that is opposite in color to its initial position. The diagram shows how the knight jumps over the d5 square to c6 or c4, over the e6 square to d7 or f7, over the f5 square to g6 or g4, and over e4 to d3 or f3. It may be said that the knight moves one square vertically or horizontally and one more square along the diagonal. The knight always moves from a white square to a black square or vice versa. It is the only piece that can leap over its own or opposing chessmen, which remain in their places. The king can move only one square in any direction on a rank, file, or diagonal. The squares to which the kings in diagram can move are indicated by dots. Pawns. The pawn goes only one square ahead on its file at a time. From its initial position, example, a white pawn from the second rank and a black pawn from the seventh rank, it can move two squares ahead at once. A pawn moves only along a file, but it captures obliquely only one square along a diagonal to the left or right.